Popularity is an understatement. Let's get to the Intense 5. Gloucestershire Avenue in Mobay has been officially renamed Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. Congrats, sir.
Offset calls Cardi B the best mother and hustler after a video resurfaced where she says she used to drug and rob men for money. Okay. I feel like drug is probably a very strong word she used. She probably just got them drunk. Huh? And rob.
Okay.
Alright, Cardi.
Pampute and Beanie at it again. He's even having thoughts of suing her for defamation. Apparently, Pampute went on a stage at a concert and told a crowd full of people that Beanie Man tried to hit her with a stool because she never hailed him. No comment. Life's so serious.
Wow. Reports about the crash of the plane from a local flying school have been released and it doesn't look good. It's so sad when you think that it could have been prevented.
I know. And finally holding the spot this week, Justice Smollett is free and cleared of all charges. That happened kinda quickly, but hey, it's showbiz. Wonder what this means for his career. Oh boy.
Crazy.
That's it for the Intense 5. Remember to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at TVJ Intense.